Snipers, you have to see what's happening to the Bitcoin price today as we have formed a higher high, and exactly like we predicted yesterday, as soon as we closed the first hourly candle below 58,350. How do I know this was an important number? Well, the candle high here, you can see as soon as we closed below it was 58,350, and guess what the next candle low was? 54,600. As soon as we closed an hourly candle below our major level, we saw an over 6% dump in Bitcoin's price. That's why you guys watch this channel, because our numbers are always exact. You guys are watching the Snipers channel. My name is Naeem Al-Baby. If you appreciate this content, remember to like this video. I first want to talk about what's happening to Bitcoin, because just like we predicted in our video yesterday, we saw a breakdown from the previous all-time high of 58,350, and my numbers are always going to be exact, and that's why you guys watch this channel. And so understand that at this point, if Bitcoin is not able to recover above 58,350, the next downside target is going to be 49,700 as a major support level for Bitcoin. Of course, we've also got some support here at 52,000 from the ascending triangle that broke out. However, because this is a breakdown and a possible higher high, I am expecting the 49,700 level to come into the equation as long as we maintain price action below 58,350. Now, if we're able to come up and close hourly and 4-hour candles above 58,350, then I believe we could truly see another run up to the upside, because if we were to come up at this point, that could invalidate this higher high. But for now, we have formed a higher high, and that's the schematics. That's what the chart is telling us, and we have to keep that into account when we're looking at what's happening here. You can see on volume, we're seeing a lot of institutional sell pressure and not some institutional buy pressure right now, and so we have to keep that in mind. The last time we saw institutional sell pressure here was on February 22nd, and right now you can see we have a rise in sell volume, so we do want to be aware of that as we're trading these markets. And when we pull up the total cryptocurrency market, you can see here, this gave us a hint yesterday that Bitcoin was going to form a higher high, because this chart already came below the previous all-time high before Bitcoin, and you can see it was a good indicator showing that this higher high was in fact forming. And so right now, what we are watching to see is, are we going to form a higher low to complete this flag? And of course, when you have a flag that has higher highs, it is a bear flag, but in a bullish trend, that doesn't mean it always breaks down to the downside. And that's why I'm telling you guys that the important level to watch here in the markets is going to be that $58,350 level in the next couple of days, because if we start to come up back above that, this could invalidate the higher high and we could continue to see new highs. But for now, we have formed a higher high. That's what the volume is telling us. That's what the price action is telling us. And of course, we have to keep that into account. Now realize we do have some descending sell pressure here with some ascending buy pressure. However, we have yet to see the institutional buy pressure that we've seen equate to the amount of sell pressure. So we do want to see some more institutional buy pressure if we want to assume more further upside. But for now, the target is going to be down here, 49,700. And we also have the previous weekly open at this level here. If we look at this chart here, the previous weekly open was at 50,959. And so what we can do is actually move this green line here to 51,000, which is the previous weekly open. And now we also have this major level of support here to watch on this chart. And so understand that if we come down and we start closing hourly candles below 51,000, then at that point, 49,700 becomes the next major support level. If we come down and close any candles below that, then we have to watch the monthly open at 45,000. But I'm not going to go that far down right now. Once again, as I talked about in our video yesterday, I was expecting a higher high to form, and I said that was totally fine as long as we start a consolidation below 58,350 and above 50,900 or 49,700. I would be totally fine with any price action in this range, to assume that in the midterm we're going to possibly see further highs. And so for now, as long as we are above this major support at 49,700, I'm totally fine with what Bitcoin's price action is going to look like in the next couple of days into the next couple of weeks. And I believe that during this consolidation, we're going to see a lot of altcoin opportunities. And so when we look at Ethereum, what you'll notice here is we came back down to our 1760 level to test this. We've already knocked on this door once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, and a fifth time. Do I think this is going to break? Well, if Bitcoin starts to come down, we have to watch this price action. If we start closing hourly and 4-hour candles, because we've yet to close a full 4-hour candle below the support level, then I believe we have to be careful with Ethereum's US dollar price, because we know the Ethereum to Bitcoin chart is showing a lot of weakness right now. However, I am expecting that at some point or another, we're going to see strength with Ethereum. I just believe that in the short term right now, we're seeing a lot of FUD with Binance Smart Chain, EIP 1559, the miners, and so because of that, they have a grasp on Ethereum's price right now to be able to manipulate it to the upside and downside. And so I think that this Ethereum to Bitcoin chart is telling us right now there's a lot of uncertainty with Ethereum's price action against Bitcoin. And so just like we talked about yesterday, we're seeing kind of a consolidation below all daily moving averages, but above the previous weekly open, above the monthly and weekly open right now, which is a good thing. And so what I'm expecting for Ethereum to Bitcoin is a little bit more of a stall out period until we start to get more clarity on the future of the project. So the Ethereum US dollar price is going to have a lot of influence compared to Bitcoin. So we just want to watch the Bitcoin price in that case. And then others dominance and Bitcoin dominance, nothing crazy happening. Bitcoin dominance still stalling out here. And then others dominance still showing some strength. The DXY rejecting the 91.92 level here. And so this could be on the downtrend, but we don't know that yet because we're above the 100-day moving average. I've already covered this in our video yesterday. S&P 500 is yet to make a new all-time high. We want to watch this to see if that could indicate more strength in Bitcoin's price as well. But for now, I told you guys, 58,350, the key level to watch. And exactly as we predicted, you can see this hourly candle, as soon as we closed below that major level, we saw over a 6% dump. So congratulations for everyone that trust our channel and our analysis. We appreciate each and every one of you guys. I just wanted to ensure you guys realize how key these numbers are. People, they think that technical analysis is a game. They think that it doesn't exist. They think that it doesn't have an influence on price. But as I've shown you right here, major levels always create major moves. You can see 58,350, resistance, support, breakdown, price action, very key level there. And with that being said, I want to give away one of my favorite books on investing, Trading Psychology, the Bible for Traders. If you want to enter into this giveaway, just comment below and share this video, and you'll have a chance to win in our video tomorrow. I'll pick a winner from our video yesterday. Mike G says, appreciate the update. Your channel is a daily must watch for me. Now, thank you so much for the appreciative comments there. And with that being said, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, Snipers out.